Hi, my name is Ramone and welcome to the Mint Cooking Series. I'm going to be your personal chef today. I'm going to show you some really cool Christmas hacks, and we're going to start off by making some roast tatties, baby. Delicious. So the first hack that you need to remember, when you're going shopping, you need to buy two types of potatoes. Other potatoes will be good, but these two bad boys, I'll promise you, I don't make promises much, but if you get a Maris, which is this bad boy right here, Maris Piper, King Edwards, I promise you, you get the lightest, fluffiest, crispiest exterior of a roast tatty. Delicious. Maris Piper, top to bottom. You just need to literally just peel from top to bottom and have that technique all the way around. All we're going to do is half and half again. Straight in the pan, cold water, bring to the boil. Done. Once you got all your potatoes chopped and the perfect size, you just want to fill up cold water so it cooks evenly instead of using boiling water. Lid on top. Have a slightly crack just in case it boils over. And then you want to turn your cooker on to about a medium to high heat. 15-20 minutes, done. We have our potatoes that's been peeled, chopped and cooked. Quick hack, make sure your potatoes are cooled down, nice and chilled. When I've drained them, I shook them, so now they've got some really nice crumbly bits, so when they fry, mwah, delicious. Bit of goose fat. If you haven't got goose fat, you can just use oil, but a couple of tablespoons. Just enough to cover the base. Make sure this oil is really nice and piping hot. Pull that bad boy straight out. Do you know what? It doesn't look that hot, but again, how you know? Quick hack, just pop it in. You can hear it? Do not overload your tray. If you overload your tray, it's not going to fry, it's going to steam and boil, and you're not going to have the same outcome. The hack is not sea salt, not table salt, but rock salt. Why? After these bad boys starts cooking, the rock salt will shrink, but you still have really nice crunchy little bits of salt. Already, it's already starting to go golden brown. We're just going to toss them over, get that oil on both sides. After you got all the potatoes in the oven, got the salt, nothing else. It doesn't need anything else at this point. About 20 minutes and then we'll check on it. Let's check them out. Oh, do you know what? They don't look bad, but we're going to make them better. What we're going to do, we're going to take off the excess oil, pop a plate just on top, hold, get rid of that excess oil. It doesn't matter if there's still a little bit of oil at the bottom, that's fine. And then what we're going to do, we're going to increase the surface area. So it's already, if you can hear, it's really nice and crisp. But we're just going to squish it a little bit more. Open up the surface area so it's even more crispier. With a fork, just push down slightly. And all we're doing is increasing that surface area. See how it's cracking and it's crispy? And look, see how fluffy it is already? And the reason why I've increased that surface area, because I love crispy potatoes. And then all we're going to do, add more flavor, just a little knob of butter, and then some herbs, just to finish. So again, exactly the same what we did earlier. Thyme. Again, top, run your fingers down. Bit of rosemary. I don't know about you, but that is what I call art. Now, 5 or so minutes just to melt the butter and just have it coat every single potato. We have the thyme, we have the rosemary, we have the butter. Have them just mix, mingle, infuse together. 5 or 10 minutes, delicious. I have been your personal chef. Today we made some delicious roast potatoes. Like, subscribe if you want to see some more. You have been with Ramone the Chef.